productive day. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, welcome. My name is Yani and I'm so excited that you're here. So today's video, throwback. Okay, as you're watching this, I'm currently at the beach. Yes, I'm currently at the beach as you're watching this. Don't worry, beach vlog is coming soon. But I found this video in my archives and I was like, oh my gosh, I never posted this. So you'll see there's a lot of Christmas stuff. This was filmed in December of 2022, right before the new year. So yeah, you'll see my hair is different, all the things are different, but I just forgot about this video and I wanted to post it. So I really hope that you enjoy it. If you do, please let me know. I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. So today, ignore the dogs, or at least try to. Anyways, so today we are cleaning out my car. It's really bad. I haven't cleaned it in a while. You know, why not? You know, I said no more cleaning videos, but I'm here now and I need to do it. We're gonna clean my car, okay? That's what we're gonna do today. Excited? All right, I mean, if you are, great. Anyway, the dogs are really barking and it's really getting on my last nerve, so I'm gonna go. Let me show you before and then I'll show you after and during, of course. Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I kind of already started, but this is my trash bag here and my keys because I'm gonna play some music and then some disinfectant spray. I need to vacuum, and then back here you have some gift wrapping, I don't know what the heck I just said. Some gift wrapping paper that I did in my car, so I just left it in here. And then we have a trash bag over there, an empty coffee cup. Let's go to the trunk. Yep. Let's moving on. This box I got for Christmas. This is just the jacket that I have in my car, but I gotta clean that out, put that stuff in my car, have some trash, a little trash bin, and some trash over there. Okay. Yeah, just a lot of trash in here, honestly, but let's do it.
Well, miss, I guess I'll be on my way now. You just give me a...
It is time to get back here. I have no clue how I'm going to record this, but we will see. Okay, so now the car is cleaned out as far as trash and junk. Now I gotta get the vacuum so I can vacuum. What a productive day. So the vacuum is not as strong as I want it to be, but it's definitely better than before, so it'll do for now. Enjoyed today's video. If you did, let me know. It's just a simple little video, just cleaning up my car, much needed as you saw, but I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to let me know if you did, and I will see you guys very, very soon. Bye. These crows will be the death of me. I'm like deathly afraid of them.